Today, we're going to install and case this door. You're going to need a few things. A screw gun with a countersink bit, is a 15 gauge pinner, an 18 gauge pinner, a chop saw that miters. You'll need your tool pouch filled with a hammer, a knife, a square, a pencil, and a tape measure. Materials, of course a door, shims, and the moldings you want to case the door with. Well, let's get at it. The first step in this project is to remove these blocks on the top of the door. Now that the blocks are gone, we're going to try this door in our opening. We already have the tile laid on one side, so more than likely we're going to need to notch both sides of the jamb on this door. The width of my door is the thickness from drywall to drywall, so now I need to take off ½ inch of the jamb. Now I'm measuring that thickness and putting it onto my jamb. I'm using a handsaw to cut this cut because I don't want to overcut at all, but there are many other tools you're able to use for this same job. Alright, now for the fun part. We need to install the door. There's three main things you gotta focus on when installing a door. 1, the door fits in the opening. 2, all your gaps are equal all the way around. And 3, the jamb is level so the door opens and closes smoothly. Let's do it. So step 1's complete. The door fits in the jamb. That's a good thing. Our jamb side isn't level, so I'm going to pin the bottom and put some shims in the top until we achieve level. If your shims are too wide, take your hammer, put it on the ground, puts it right into it. So now that I got my shims and my 15 gauge pinner, I'm going to make sure it's flush to the front and put a pin in it. Now I'm going to take the shims and shim the top out until this is level. Now we're level. We'll pin it to keep going. Okay, next we're going to check to make sure the door closes flush and all our gaps are the same all the way around. Come inside, I'll show you. When I close this door, I want to make sure this top gap is equal all the way and this bottom gap is equal all the way down. If it's not, I'll achieve that with shims. Because the floor isn't down yet, I was able to bring up this jamb to make this gap equal. Now that gap is the same. I can pin the top because this jamb is holding it all together. I'm flush on this side and the door is closing properly. Now that our door is exactly where we want it, put a few more pins in it and then screw it off. Now this is why I like having 2 screw guns. One has my countersink bit and the other has my drill bit. I'm going to countersink 3 holes where the hinges are and then put a screw in it. The screws I chose for this project are headless screws, which means it doesn't have much of a head. Alright, installing a door is heaps of fun. But now that it's in place, we need to get the moldings on it. So we need to get rid of the shims. The best way to do that without moving the door is your X-Acto. Drive it down the side. Make sure it's cut on both sides and simply pull it off. Alright, we're ready to trim this door out. Can't wait. I milled up this block on my table saw so all my door casings will have the same reveal. Let me show you. Now my moldings will come around here and it'll be equal. Not only on this door, but all my doors. Now that we've done that, I can measure my moldings. I have a piece of the molding we're going to use, and I'm going to put it up there and mark it. In this video, I'm not going to show you how to assemble the header. If you want to see that, go to my window video and I show you in detail. Once you get your header assembled, or any molding you plan to use, check it before you put it up. Perfect. Now you can see that line continues all the way through. We'll pin it up and get our molding. Make sure they fit and nail them on. Alright, we're almost there. We've cut our moldings out to sides. You want this edge to line up with this edge. And now we're going to see if they fit and nail them on. Remember to place it on that block so it stays up the thickness of your finished floor. Alright, there you have it. You've installed and cased the door. But there's always 2 sides.